And the interrogation begins. So, Jeb, where were you at 6 p.m. sharp? Well, I was dragged by a psychopath. You, Red, Icebird, draw a sketch of this, please. His name is you, and he's Red. Okay. What else? You're a bird. He's a bird. Icebird. The bird, Icebird. Anything else? He was angry too. Very angry. Good. Jeb. You can sit down now. Okay. Oh, I'm still standing. How? Where were you at 6 p.m. sharp? Well, I was also hit by you. And you tried to tell me, you told me, where's Chuck? Where's Chuck? You, this kind of psychopathic you. I wonder where he is. He must be helping the green smart guy. I think that guy is... Shut up. Well, I mean, his name's not you. His name is... Oh, you shut up, too. We got to move on along here. Iceberg, we gotta go looking for this guy. Can you scan his face that you just drew on our scanning machine and see if it matches anybody's? Okay. Who does it match, Icebird? It matches. Who? You. I'm the bad guy here. I didn't even know this. You're all free to go. Even me? I didn't interrogate you yet. I guess I'll go home. Guess I'll go home then. What the?